In this video, we will understand how to configure loan or deposit QR code system in Genome software. In master setup, company configure the VPA or UPI ID. It has to be configured once. In case you need any modification, you can consult Genome software support team. Next, you have to set up a print format for QR code. This is also one-time setup. In master setup, print template. Here, you have to select loan or deposit and then enter any print name that you want. Once that print is created, then select that print and from the print template, select loan QR code or deposit QR code. So let's say I'm selecting loan QR code. Once you select that, then copy print template. It will ask confirmation, click yes. I have already configured, so I have clicked no here. Important part is this print template will generate the code which you can copy anywhere or wherever you want in any print format. The code is going to be, I'll explain this code quickly. So here company name will be your company name, QR code will be printed QR code, then customer name, loan number. In case you want to add any additional information, you can add it here. For example, installment, loan start date, end date, or whatever it is. It's just a normal print format that you are using in Genome software. You can create this as a separate format so that you can simply print the QR code and send on WhatsApp, or you can include these variables, for example this variable, in your existing print format. Once this is done, then you can update. Now I'm going to search loan number 40. So in loan number 40, you can check that the amount per installment, that is 1047, and once you generate the print format, you can click WhatsApp and send that image also. I click here print and select print format, loan QR code. Now in this QR code, you can see that your company name will be shown at the top, then the QR code at the center, your company logo, then the customer name, loan number. As I have mentioned that you can add more fields or more variables and create a fancy QR code. Once you create this QR code, you can share, and when the customer will make the payment, then it will get reflected in your bank statement. We have the provision to upload the bank statement, which I will explain in next video. Thank you so much. This is the innovative solution provided by Genome software. Please share with your friends and send in your group also, so that everyone will get beneficiated from this solution. As of now, the solution is free of cost, and we want to make it available to every microfinance and deposit company so that they can make the use of this for the digital collections. Thank you. Have a great day.